As momentum grows for the transition to 2D codes, unlike static, so do the amount of benefits from variable data that can be gained. The more companies add, the bigger the opportunity for manufacturers, retailers, and consumers. Unlocking more benefits positions you for a competitive advantage. Why you want to get there is up to you. But here's the thing, making it all work isn't as easy as just adding a variably printed code. There are key considerations you must get right, such as cell sizes, error correction levels, package real estate, product shapes, data content, and possibly more. Any can bring their own set of challenges. Get any one wrong, and suddenly, your product's stuck in limbo. Here's an example. Brands usually want smaller codes to keep packaging clean, but smaller cell sizes can make the codes harder to scan, impacting readability throughout the supply chain. And if you have a uniquely designed package, the code might not print properly, and trying to change the package real estate or product shape can be a long, complicated, and expensive process. Just because a code looks okay in your facility doesn't mean it'll scan everywhere. And even if you do everything right, you may still have problems with existing equipment. Bottom line, it takes planning, collaboration, and the right partner to get you there from day one. QR codes powered by GS1, printed and verified by Domino.